Hello friends, myself Amit Belekar. Welcomes to my channel, and today we are going to discuss about pharmaceutics, the introduction. After going through this video, the learner will be able to define pharmacy, then define drug and define pharmaceutics. So first we have to discuss about what is pharmacy. Pharmacy is a branch of science that deals with preparation and dispensing of medicinal drugs. It is the health profession which links health sciences with the chemical sciences. Aim of the pharmacy is to ensure the safe and effective use of pharmaceuticals or drugs in the treatment of various disorders. Now we have to discuss about what is drug. So drug is any substance or product that is used in the diagnosis, prevention, mitigation means reduce severity of the disease, and control or cure of the disease. So we have to remember these four words, that is diagnosis, prevention, then mitigation and control and cure of the diseases. So any substance which is used for diagnosis of disease, any substance which is used for prevention of the disease, any substance which is used for mitigation, that is to reduce the severity of the disease. Mitigation means reduce the severity of the disease, and any substance which is used to control or cure the disease is called as drug. It has various effects and actions on different parts of our body. These drugs are administered from different routes depending upon the need of that drug in the treatment. So whenever we want local effect or topical effect, the drug is applied on the skin, and if drug effect we want internally, then it should be taken internally. Now we have to discuss about third important part of today's session, that is what is pharmaceutics. So pharmaceutics, it is the branch of pharmacy. Pharmaceutics is a branch of pharmacy that deals with converting a new or old drug into different dosage forms, so that drug can be used safely and effectively in the treatment of disease in the patients. Thus, it is the branch which deals with different dosage forms and their design. So, this pharmaceutics branch deals with the development of dosage form and generation of new dosage form, and how these dosage form are designed. All that study, it is taken place into the pharmaceutics. In old days, drug directly applied on the body, or it can be administered as such. So in old days, you know that if leaves are there which are having medicinal property, these are pulverized in mortar and pestle, and as such these can be administered. But these leaves, many of the leaves of the drugs, they are having bitter taste, and that's why the patient is not taking the drug because of the taste. So there is necessity to convert that drug into the dosage form, so it can be administered easily. So we can make that drug tasteless by giving an envelope on that or coating on that, or we can convert it into tablet form, so it can contain some additives. We can convert it in syrup form, so small children can administer that drug. Even it is bitter, because of syrup its bitterness is disappeared. So that for that purpose drug should be converted into the dosage form, and that all that study how drug it is converted into the dosage form, all that study is taken place into the pharmaceutics. It is the branch of pharmacy. So whenever drug it is converted into a dosage form, it can be safely used in the patient and effectively used in the patient. So that is the advantage of the dosage form, and for that pharmaceutics is dealing with these preparation of these various dosage forms. So now it is time to summarize. Today in this video we had discussed about definition of pharmacy, then we had discussed about definition of drug, and finally we had discussed what is pharmaceutics. So thank you for listening me patiently. If you have any queries, you can contact me on my mail address, which is given in this slide. And for getting more such videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.